Good day, everyone. I hope you guys are great, doing great. So, as I'm getting the good impression on my previous videos, so I decided to make the new tutorial for you guys how to upload the app on Apple Store. So, let's not waste more time and come to the point. First of all, you guys have to go to the APPLE developer account. Make sure to purchase your developer accounts before trying to upload the app on Apple Store. The fee for this developer account will be $99 per year. So you guys have to get your account first. After that, you will be able to see these options, certificates, and so before uploading your IPA or your build on the Apple Store, you guys have to create certificates. You will be understand in next 5 minutes. You are going to understand why we are creating these certificates. As I have already created this certificate development, so I don't have to create the development certificate again. I need Apple distribution certificate to distribute the app on Apple Store. Now here it will ask you to choose the file. Here you have to choose a file. Creating signing request. Okay, you must be thinking like, how did I get this certificate? It's very simple and easy. You just have to open the keychain access. Like, let's suppose click here. Okay, then just go to the keychain access, certificate assistant, then request certificate from certificate authority. Here you will write the email, save to disk, and continue. Then you will get this certificate. Okay, so let's continue. Choose for upload, continue. Okay, it's created. Now you have to download this certificate and make sure to go to your downloads or wherever your certificate is gonna store. Just double click on it. In this way, the certificate will install its private key as well. Otherwise, if you will not download it or you will not double click on it, you will face the issue like the distribution certificate has been found but their private key is not found. So this is the very common issue uh, most you can say developers face in their early stages. Let's go back all certificates. Now we need Apple push certificate. If your app is using push services, you have to create Apple push certificate. Continue. Okay, so it's asking for to create Apple ID. This is very important. Register an Apple ID. So you can say that, let's suppose my app name is Checkvi. Okay, so this one is just the random. You can type anything here, but this bundle ID is very important because we are gonna use this in our Xcode. So normally I type com dot project name, then iOS. Okay, then continue, register. Okay, now we have the identifier. Here we have devices. Here you have to register the device. Your device, you have to type the UDID number. Okay, so I'm gonna put the UDID number iPhone. Make sure to use your own UDID number. By the way, it doesn't matter whatever you use. So the main thing is whatever phone UDID number you will use here, then you will be able to test the app on that. So I have one UDID number of my previous phone, 2BA. Let's type it here, 2BA 6D 996 11D D 131 EBA F2 FD F2 FD 7846 5E 7846 5E 4AA 4A 7606 5C 4. Oh, it's very difficult. Okay, just register it. If you will not register your device or anything, yeah, then forget about uploading the build on Apple Store. You will be able to generate the build, but you can't upload the build on the App Store until you will register this device, any device, iPhone device. You have to create profiles, then profiles, iOS app development, continue. Here it's asking for the ID which we have just created. Just select the ID, continue. Now just click here, iPhone, continue, type anything, check V. So I normally type my project name. Okay, so no need to download this one. So now we have profiles, device, identifier and certificates. Apple distribution development, push services. So this one you only have to generate if you are using the push notification services, but I guess, okay, ID, continue, choose file, the same signing certificate which we got from the keychain access, processing, download it, go to the downloads and just double click to get the sign access key. Okay, as we have certificates, identifiers, devices, profiles, we are good to go. Okay, so now we have to go to the App Store Connect. So App Store Connect is basically the thing on which we upload our app screenshots, build API or everything. Now create add apps. What is the app name? See, check V. So this is my the app name, check V. Let me check again. Okay, so it's right. Choose the primary language. Normally I use English US. Bundle. See, it's the same identifier which we have created on the Apple developer account. So if you will not create this identifier, you won't be able to create the app successfully here. Full access, iOS, create. So it's gonna create our app. Okay, our app is created. Now we have to upload the build, which is the most important part of this tutorial. So I hope you're enjoying this tutorial, and just watch my next video to see how to build the IPA and how to upload the IPA on Apple Store. Because this tutorial is getting lengthy, that's why I'm dividing it into two parts. So do continue.